What's up, guys? Hey, I got something here real special I want to go over with you. I'm going to share with you the new prop firm I've been trading for and the reasons why I like it, maybe some things where I think there could be some tweaks and improvements, and why I think this is the absolute best prop firm for all of us right now, as well as at the end of the video, I'm going to go over 3 steps to help you pass your evaluation account. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys, so here we are. Now, you guessed it, it's Apex. Apex is the new firm that I am affiliated with as a funded trader. The reason why I didn't go with this one when I started off on that journey last year to try to find the best prop firm for you, the new trader, is because at the time, they had different rules. Their rules were a little bit closer to another one of the more popular firms out there that, in my opinion, isn't very new trader friendly because of the amount of rules it has. This one, now Apex, is more along the lines of like that Lilu type, the one that I promoted last year, or I mean actually this year when I went off on that journey there, and I was like, oh, you guys, Lilu is very new trader friendly. Why? Because it had one rule, and one rule only. It was don't hit the trailing max drawdown in your evaluation. That's it. And I personally think that's the best and only rule you need when you're on that endeavor. It's going to teach you to risk, to properly risk manage. Now, this one, unlike others, does not have a scaling plan. You don't need to start off with 1 or 2 contracts, and then after X amount of days where you hit X amount of profit target, you can go up to full size. You don't have a step 1 and a step 2 and then all these other nonsense. You don't have a daily max drawdown where if you during the day hit a daily max loss, the system shuts you out or just blows up your account. That doesn't exist here. Here now, they've changed it to where you only have one rule, and that one rule is do not hit the daily max drawdown. That's it. And in my opinion, that's all you need. Why make it so convoluted and complicated, especially with a bunch of different steps for the new trader who barely understands how to use the platform yet, right? So that's what I like about them. Now, apart from that, apart from the rules, let's go ahead and jump into the nitty-gritty here. Right here you have, they've done an average monthly compensation to customers since January of 22. So basically of January of last year, right? They've done over $1 million in monthly compensations, okay? Total compensations to customers since 2022. $25 million. Are you kidding me? $25 million in payouts. That's insane. All right. That's crazy. Total compensations to customers in the last 60 days. You've had nearly $9 million in the last 60 days paid out in payouts. Guys, people are getting paid, and that's what matters, right? Now, what I want you to look at here is another very important part of the whole entire process, right? Let's say you passed, you're already funded, you're trading in your account. How much money are you going to make? That's what everybody wants to know. Now, if you're a brand new trader, in my opinion, your first thing should not be, oh, how much money? Because you're not going to make money if you're brand new. It's going to take you a while to learn the skill, to get consistently profitable, and to move on and pass evaluations. Now, if you're already profitable, if you're starting to become profitable, then you're really going to care about this, because the first $25,000 are all kept by you, the trader. That's right. The first $25,000 you make are all yours. Now imagine if you traded that with CopyTrader and crossed 3 accounts, 4 accounts, you just made yourself $75,000, $100,000, and it's all yours. You don't have to share it with the firm. Now after the first $25,000, you get to keep 90%. That's plenty. That's good money, right? That's good. Now you get 2 payouts per month. Now the firm I was trading with beforehand, the one that at the time was, in my opinion, the best for new traders because they only had one rule and because they had a lot of specials, things that now Apex has, a lot of good specials going on. As a matter of fact, coupon in the description section and comment section, you can get yourself a really fat discount right now with my coupon code. So you have that, you have the big specials that they do. You have only one rule. That's what the other firm had as well. But now you get to keep more, $25,000. The other firm was $12,000. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Now, the other thing was the other firm was only 1 payout per month. This one does 2 payouts per month. That's getting paid bi-weekly. It's literally how most people get paid, on a bi-weekly basis. Okay, so basically you're getting paid bi-weekly here. So that's pretty damn good in my opinion, right? You only need 7 days to qualify versus 10 days with the other firm. And I don't even know how many with the other firm. All right. You can trade full size right out the gates. Like I said, there's no scaling plans, even in your evaluation or in your funded account, right? Again, here, no scaling. All right. You don't have to go through that scaling. No daily drawdowns. What I said earlier, you can trade on holidays, right? You can trade on holidays as long as the market's open, even if it's just a half day. Trade your own normal day trading strategies, okay? You can trade during news. Some firms do not allow you to trade during news. I don't trade typically during the news. Like, for example, during FOMC, right? When Jerome Powell's about to step up on the podium, I wait. I listen to him and I listen, and I wait before I can get into my trades. Why? Because that's me. I don't like to trade during the news. All right. No total cap on maximum payouts. Other firm had a cap on maximum payouts. No total cap on this one. Okay. 1-step evaluation process. No 2 steps. Real-time data included, of course. Simple risk management rules. Just don't blow up the trailing drawdown and you're good to go. And then you can trade with multiple accounts. Remember what I said about copy trader. I mean, if you're already consistently profitable and you know how to trade and you've already passed your evaluations, you got 2 or 3 of these things, just copy trader those suckers and bang, bang, bang. You know, the way that works is you put on one trade with your main account and it just copies it right to the other 2 using automation. I mean, automation is the way of the world right now, right? So you have all of this going on with this firm that, in my opinion, right now is really the leading firm. It's the leading firm, in my opinion, as far as everything. New trader friendly. Why? Only one rule. Good specials. That's all you need as a new trader. You know why I say that? Because you're going to blow up accounts as a new trader. It's going to happen. All right. So the fact that it has good specials and specials sometimes on resets, like right now they have a special going on the reset. No coupon code needed. That's good for new traders. Now, if you're already making money, you're profitable, right? Then bang, you get paid bi-weekly basically, right? 2 times a month. First 25K is all yours, and then you get your 90% split. Okay, so here we go on to the plans. You have the 25K, the 50K, the 75K, the 100,000, the 150. This is the one I have, 150. And you have the 250. Then you have the 300,000, okay? And then you have the 100,000 static. The 100,000 static, what that means is that you don't have a trailing drawdown. See how this one here says trailing drawdown right here? Okay, trailing threshold. This one says trading threshold none, but it has a total drawdown of $625. So that's the point of that one. It said that 625 doesn't move. So right out the gates, you start off at $100,000. If you lose 625K, you blew up the account. You're going to have to reset it, right? So that's the problem with that for some people. For others, not. You're only allowed to trade 2 contracts, so that's pretty good. It'll kind of keep you, at some sort of safety net there in the sense of you shouldn't really hit that right out the gates. So the nice thing about that is that you don't have that pressure of the trailing drawdown, but it is tight. So either way, you're going to learn to manage risk with these. I haven't traded one of these. I don't think I would. The one that I've traded was this one. I came over to Apex. I bought one of these. I passed it in 6 days, but you had to trade a total of 7 days. So I traded an extra day, or not an extra day, traded the 7th day. And that's it. In 6 days, I made my $9,000 and it was over and done. On the 7th day, I came in, traded an MES, and I was done just to qualify for that day. And now I have my funded account. I have 2 more accounts that I'm working on. And today is the 19th of June. And the second account only needs about $1,800. And I've traded a total of 3 days. So I'm going to be trading that one for a while. So I'm going to do that and try to get myself 3 of these accounts and then just copy trade them to show you guys how all that works. All right. Now, which one of these is my favorite? I'd have to say that the 50K and the 150K are my 2 favorites. Just simply put, you only have to make $3,000, right? And you get to trade 10 contracts and your trailing drawdown is $2,500. That one's pretty easy to qualify, even if you're almost, so I'm not even going to say an intermediate trader. Even if you're almost an intermediate trader, you could qualify for this one fairly easily, in my opinion. Now, of course, the 25K is even easier, $1,500, but I mean, think about it this way. Why would you go for the 25K one when you could probably get the 50K done easier, right? I mean, it's going to be riskier, but look, you get 4 contracts. you get 1,500 profit target, 1,500 trailing drawdown. But if you hop on over here, you only got to make another 1,500 bucks more, and you're getting another $1,000 in drawdown, and you get an extra 6 contracts to trade. If you know how to manage risk, you can get that one done. Now, the next favorite one, which is the one that I'm funded in, is this one, the 150K one. Your profit target is only 9,000 bucks, and your trailing drawdown is $5,000. 5,000. That's plenty drawdown for this risk to reward ratio. Okay, so if you have a decent accuracy and you have a good risk to reward ratio program that you trade in, all right, shameless plug, check out my course in the description section and the comment section so that you can learn how to get an evaluation account passed. You can definitely do that one. Now, if you want to step it up and get a little bit, aggressive, you can make $15,000 in the 250K one, but you're only getting another $1,500 in trailing drawdown, and you got to make an extra $6,000 compared to the 150K. I ain't about all that work, to be honest. Thank you very much. I'll just pass 3 of these 150s and I'm good to go. So I'd say the 150 and the 50K are pretty good. The 75K is pretty good as well, but you're only getting an extra 250 bucks in trailing drawdown. So like if you put me against the wall, hey Jesse, pick one of these, I'd pick either the 150 or the 50K account, okay? Now, these come with either Ninja like this one, or if you scroll further down, you can trade with Tradeovate. You just got to pick the right plan. It's the same thing, the same trailing drawdowns, the same profit targets. The only difference is this one you could do Tradeovate or Ninja. These up here, you can only do Ninja. If I've traded with Ninja, it's cool. I like it. I'm trading with Tradeovate now. I like it more. Why? Because I get access to more data. You got a web platform you can trade off of. Very, very easy to use. I used the downloadable desktop, okay? Now, I did promise you one thing here, and that is 3 steps to help you pass your next evaluation. Tips on passing your evaluation, guys. First tip that I can give you, and it's so important, especially if you're brand new, you're gonna be excited. You're gonna be like, oh my God, look at all these awesome indicators. Look at all these tools. Look how fast the DOM moves. Look how fast the ticks go. Oh my God, look, what is the 2000 tick chart? Stay calm. Relax, stay calm. It can be exciting to trade futures, especially as you see that P&L flying up and down, and you're seeing you're up to 2,500 bucks, you're up 5,000 bucks, you're down 1,000, you're down 1,500, you're down 3,000. Oh my God, it can get crazy. 2, if you are not consistently profitable yet, trade small to start. Don't get out there and get the 150K account, right? And you have been trading a whole 2 or 3 months in your life and start trading with 17 contracts. You're gonna blow up on the first trade. More than likely. If not within the first 3 trades, you will blow up your account. So if you're not consistently profitable yet, okay, don't get out there and start trading full blast all of the contracts that you are allowed to trade. At least in my opinion, you shouldn't be doing that. You should trade small to start. If it takes you 3 months to pass an account, it's perfectly fine. What good is it for you to pass the account within the first 7 days or within the first 30 days, right, as a new trader, only to get funded, to then blow up the funded account in the next week? Remember, if you're not yet profitable, your main goal shouldn't be really passing an account and getting funded and I'm gonna make so much money and oh my God, I'm gonna make $10,000 a week. It should be learn to trade. And what better environment to learn to trade than inside of a prop firm evaluation account? So trade small to start. Don't go crazy to begin with. Just take it easy, right? Be calm, trade small. And then number 3, you owe nothing to no one. You owe nothing to no one. As a matter of fact, don't even tell any friends or family that you're in an evaluation account for a prop firm. Don't tell a soul. Just put your head down, study, trade, go through the steps, try to get an evaluation passed. Again, I have a course that will teach you how to do all this. Are you going to do it instantly just because you passed the course with the quizzes and the tests? No, it's not going to work that way, but it's going to help with the learning curve tremendously. You can check it out, link in the description and comment section. Remember, you're going to want to be calm. You're going to want to trade small. And remember, you owe nothing to no one. If you blow up an account, who cares? Reset it and move on. If you're close to your renewal for the month, don't even reset it. Take a week off. Take a week off. It'll renew itself the next week and it'll reset itself when it does that. All right. So make sure that you have these things in mind. You don't owe anything to anyone. If you fail on your first attempt, who cares? It'll take you multiple attempts. But the winners are the ones who stay in here and are patient and they look at the long case, right? They're not short-sighted. They're looking down the road. They're looking at 6 months, a year from now when they're truly an experienced or more experienced trader, and they have a system in place. They know how to manage risk, and they've been funded. All right, so take your time, guys. All right, any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on another one. Peace.